Reset a button to factory defaults. Accidentally delete a core word button? Lose your button links? Reset your button to factory defaults and get your links back. You'll see here that my apple icon is gone. It's accidentally been deleted, so in my sequenced vocabulary, I now can't go to another page. If I select the drink icon, you can see that I can go to another page. I need to bring that button back with all of its links. I go to Menu, Editor, Edit, select the button that I need to bring back. You'll see I don't have anything in that labeled there. I can go to Settings, Reset Button, and I get a warning about factory defaults. I select OK, and my Apple button is back. Now I save it, and my original core button is back, so when I select the Apple, I can link to my other pages. You'll find more video tutorials on using Empower on our YouTube channel. For information about our products and services, visit us on the web at www.printrom.com.